In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS on Windows 11. Changing your DNS can help improve browsing speed, reliability, and sometimes privacy, because DNS is the service that translates the names of websites into the numerical addresses your computer uses to reach them. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll point out what to look for, so everything is clear and simple. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. When Settings opens, look to the left sidebar and click on Network and Internet. This is where all your connection options live. Next, choose the type of connection you're using right now. If you're on Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi. If your computer is plugged in with a cable, click Ethernet. Now select your active network. On Wi-Fi, that means clicking the name of the network you're currently connected to. On Ethernet, click your connected network to open its details. You're heading to the page with all the properties for that specific connection. Scroll down until you find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment. To the right of that, you'll see an Edit button. Click Edit to open the DNS configuration window. By default, it's usually set to automatic. Change this setting to manual so you can enter your own DNS servers. Under Manual, turn on the toggle for IPv4. This tells Windows you want to specify DNS servers for the common IPv4 protocol, which most networks use. You'll see boxes for Preferred DNS and Alternate DNS. The Preferred DNS is your primary server. Your computer will try this first. The alternate DNS is a backup in case the primary server is unavailable. Enter the two DNS addresses provided by your internet service, your organization, or a trusted DNS provider. Double-check that you've typed them correctly, since a small typo can prevent pages from loading. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Your settings take effect immediately. You might notice a very brief network refresh, and then you're ready to browse. If you're on a work or school device or using a VPN, keep in mind that some policies can override your settings, so check with your administrator if things don't seem to stick. And if you ever run into connection issues, you can return to the same place, click Edit, and switch DNS server assignment back to automatic. That's it. You've successfully changed the DNS on Windows 11 with just a few clicks.